Most gardeners are chasing sunlight like it's the only currency that matters. Beds are cleared, trees are blamed, fences are cursed, and shade is treated like a problem to be fixed. But here's the truth that changes everything. Some vegetables don't just tolerate shade. They grow better in it, produce longer, taste sweeter, and resist stress far more effectively than their sun-soaked counterparts. Garden advice often repeats the same phrase without context. Full sun equals better yields. That statement ignores plant physiology. Sunlight drives photosynthesis, but too much light creates heat stress, moisture loss, bitter flavors, and early bolting in many crops. Shade does not mean darkness. Most gardens experience partial shade, filtered light, morning sun with afternoon protection, or dappled light through trees. These conditions are not inferior. Leaf crops are the clearest winners. Lettuce, spinach, arugula, mustard greens, and kale all benefit from reduced sun exposure. Shade keeps leaf temperatures lower, which, really slows bitterness and prevents premature flowering. In partial shade, lettuce forms fuller heads and honestly stays harvestable weeks longer. Spinach produces thicker, darker leaves instead of rushing to seed. Root vegetables care more about soil temperature than sunlight. Beets, carrots, radishes, turnips, and green onions perform exceptionally well in light to moderate shade. Many culinary herbs actually lose flavor in extreme heat. Parsley, cilantro, chives, mint, lemon balm, and even dill, they all prefer partial shade, especially during those warmer seasons. Tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers are often labeled as sun-only crops, but even these, believe it or not, benefit from a bit of strategic shade. Afternoon shade helps reduce flower drop and sun scald. With this, plants can focus on fruit development instead of just survival. Shade reduces evaporation, and honestly, this alone changes everything. Microbial life thrives in stable moisture. And earthworms, they stay active longer. Plus, organic matter breaks down more efficiently. Stress, really concentrates bitterness. When plants struggle with heat and water loss, they start to produce these defensive compounds that, can affect their flavor quite a bit. Shade, on the other hand, reduces that stress. Instead of removing shade, work with it. Place leafy greens where they receive morning sun and afternoon protection. Grow roots where soil stays cool longest. Use taller crops or trellises to create intentional shade zones. Overwatering is the most common error. Shade reduces evaporation so soil stays wet longer. Water deeply but less frequently. Wild ecosystems do not grow in full-sun monocultures. They thrive in layers: canopy, understory, ground cover. Each layer supports the next. If this opened your eyes to what shade can really do, subscribe to Nature's Blueprint. Share this with a gardener still fighting shadows, and help spread growing wisdom that works with nature instead of against it.